what I needed to do with the y is also to subtract 20 from y. So I will achieve values from minus 20 to plus 20, but without using actual negative values for y. I can open the brackets if I want, or I can keep them closed like this. I hope that you noticed something other interesting. Our explosion isn't really symmetrical. It's hard to notice this if the number of squares is from 0 to 40, but if I change it from 10 to 30, it will be easier to see. I hope you are going to be able to see that the left part of the explosion is reaching the left part of the playing field sooner. Well, is there a reason for this? If you count the exact squares that are left from 20 and right from 20, you will notice that the left are from 10 to 19. 20 minus 20 is exactly 0. So this is the central. And right of the center, there are only 9 squares, because we are not making a step for x and y equal to 30. So I'm going to change this sign to smaller or equal in order to have really symmetrical explosion. I don't know if you notice the difference, but now my explosion is different, and you can actually count that the number of squares now is 21, with the 11th of those squares being the central one. And this is symmetrical. Now I'm going to start thinking of a formula for color number instead of this random number selected. So we got really simple formula already that we used in the chessboard, but it got only 2 colors. It was, let's find the sum of x and y, and we are not going to use this sum because it is becoming over 5, the number of our colors, really soon. Instead of this formula, we can take the remainder of dividing it by 5. So what are the colors? The colors of the explosion now are going to be diagonally placed like this. And I hope you like this. We can choose a lot of different formulas too. And I want you to experiment with different formulas that are going to give us 5 different colors, or if you want another number of colors, you can add more ifs with more colors. But I want you to experiment with this formula now. In the next video, I will show you 1 or 2 more ideas for color number, but first try a few ideas yourself.